everyone, a die is something which is of the form 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then two such identical dice, basically two dice, if you throw two different dice, okay, so what is the possible number of sum you are going to get? So you know that the minimum number is 1 and 1. So minimum sum you will get, minimum sum on both the dice you will get is 2. And maximum sum if it will come 6 and 6. Right? So maximum sum you will get is 12. And rest all numbers between 2 to 12 can also be formed, right? 3 can be formed by 2 and 1. 4 can be formed by 3 and 1. Right? 5 can be formed by 3 and 2. 6 can be formed by 3, 3. 7 can be formed by 4 and 3. 8 can be 4, 4. 9 can be 5 and 4. 10 can be 5 and 5. 11 can be, 6 and 5. And 12 can be formed by 6 and 6. So maximum sum we can get 12 and minimum sum we will get 2 when both the dice will give 1 and 1. We cannot get sum less than 2. So how many numbers are there from 2 to 12? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So from 1 to 12 there are 12 numbers. From 2 to 12 there are 11 possible sums. So 11 possible sums are possible. So our correct answer is 11. Understood everyone?